I think everybody in this country should learn how to program a computer, should learn a computer language, because it teaches you how to think.
Hello friends, today we're going to learn how to link HTML with CSS, how to link an HTML with a JS. Basically in CSS there are three ways for CSS which you can link up CSS to the HTML. So those three ways are, one is inline, one is external, and one is inside inside the head tag, right? So these are the three ways. Similarly, when you go with JS, so what happens is there you can also have an external page which you can link up with HTML, and you can have an inside the page, inside the head tag, you can link up, or you can write below the footer also. Okay, I'm gonna show you all of these conditions today. Let's learn this. First, we're gonna start up with CSS. So I'm gonna write the basic HTML structure. And here comes. So first we're gonna start with CSS with inline. So I'm gonna write here a p tag which says, "Hi, I'm ready, whatever." So after this, I'm gonna write. I'm gonna make this as red color. At present, if you see, you get this the but I'm going to turn this into red color. How? By writing an inline CSS. How you can write this? You can write a style attribute. We say it attribute for this, and write color. That's a CSS code, right? So let's check it out. Let's refresh. So you can see I am ready has been changed to red color, which is an inline CSS we have used. Now, the same way you can use everywhere for the every tag. You can change here also with the style for this, or write any CSS inside this, any of the tags you want to implement. So we'll go to next, inside head tag. Okay, so I'm going to turn this off, and inside the head tag we have to write this tag style. Okay, and here we're gonna take the p tag, give it the flower bracket, write color red. So it's worked the same way, so I'm not gonna say this. So after adding this, it becomes red. You can see that, or yellow. That's how it's done. There's an inline inside the head tag. Inside the head tag, you can write it down. Another one is you need to open a new file. Let me open a new file. This is an external style sheet we're going to link up. So save it with the name style.css. So you have to link the up very properly, and you have to write it inside the head tag this way. You're gonna write link style sheet tag type is equal to text like CSS, and href the file name. So since I have put it in my desktop so I can directly link up. If it's not in desktop, please give the root path here. So then you get it. So inside, if you come here, you're gonna write your CSS. Let's make it color pink. So it was red before, yellow before, now it is pink. This is external, this is called external link up of the style sheet. This is how they link up. So I've shown you all the three ways in CSS